As we strolled through the vibrant streets of Kigali, I found myself in an interesting conversation with two African students. Instead of chasing the typical dream of studying in the Western countries, they shared why Rwanda is becoming their top choice, and the reasons might surprise you. Bro, what can you say about Kigali?
Kigali is a good country.
A good city?
Yeah, a good city.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when did you arrive here?
I arrived here since September.
Since September?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're enjoying it?
Yeah, I enjoy Kigali because everything is clean here.
It's clean, organized?
Yeah. Organized, and there is a good security here. So compared to my country, I think Kigali is one of the best cities.
So tell me other cities that you've been to, like African cities.
African cities. I went to, do you know Douala?
Douala, Cameroon?
Yeah, Cameroon, yeah. I went to Douala, even Nairobi.
Nairobi?
Yeah.
Nairobi is great.
Yeah, Nairobi is great too, but I didn't spend a lot of time there. But I think Kigali is one of the best. Yeah.
The best, man. So you're hearing from a foreigner. Maybe you can say that I'm being biased because I'm a Rwandan, but Kigali is the best. Kigali is the best, man. So you're a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
Where do you study? In which university?
Do you know African Leadership University?
Yeah, they hear you.
Yeah,
one of my friends study there, man.
Ah.
It's a great university, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your friend, bro. What's up, man?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay, I'm good too.
What's your name?
My name is Success.
Success?
Yeah.
From where?
From Chad.
From Chad?
Yeah.
West Africa?
No, Central Africa.
Central Africa.
Yeah. So, how are you liking Kigali, bro?
I like Kigali because Kigali is a beautiful country and
beautiful city, yeah.
Beautiful country and have a good security.
Security?
Yeah, and the people is so
friendly.
Yeah.
People are friendly.
Yeah, are so friendly.
Can you imagine, guys?
Reason why I like Kigali.
You like Kigali?
Kigali has many beautiful girls.
Girls. I like. Have you got one?
Huh?
Have you got one?
No.
For yourself?
I didn't get one.
You still searching?
Yeah.
Okay.
Searching for one girl.
One Rwandan girl.
But I think they are at your university. There are many of them.
What?
At your university?
Yeah.
There are many of
there are many Rwandan girls at my university.
Yes.
But the Rwandan girls speak only Kinyarwanda.
Kinyarwanda, they don't speak English. So you have to learn now so that you can get one.
But I wanted to learn Kinyarwanda. But I know Mindakufunda. Yeah, I know just Mindakufunda.
I'll teach you the basic. You just I'll teach you the basic of Rwanda.
No
So where do you stay?
I stay
at Gisozi.
At Gisozi, yeah.
But we are planning to move to another place.
Yeah. Oh, which place?
Now we don't know, but we are still looking for a house.
Okay.
But me, I study at the university in Mulak.
Mulak.
Yeah,
so
Mulak.
Why did you choose? Because I've been seeing many Africans when it comes to studying abroad.
Yeah.
They look for other universities, maybe from the Western world, from the US, from France, from Belgium. So why did you choose Rwanda instead of going to those other countries?
Okay, so personally,
yes.
First of all, I would like to study in English because in my country we speak only French.
You speak only French?
Yeah. And you know, like as I really like English, I decided to choose like English-speaking country to study in. The reason why when I have got my high school diploma,
yes,
I made some research about some countries, and I have noticed that here in Rwanda there is like many security, like good security, many friendly people. The reason why I have choose to study here in Rwanda.
Study here in Rwanda. So how is the education? Is it good?
Yeah, the education
in Rwanda.
Yeah,
It is very good.
Yeah, it's very good.
So you would recommend at Africans, bro? What's up?
Hi,
bro.
How are you doing?
Yo, we just doing a vlog.
Yeah, that's
What's
good.
your name?
My name is Orti.
So Bonti, where are we going? Where are you heading to?
What?
Where are we going?
I'm going to take something in their share.
Okay, their share.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking them to where they can withdraw some money.
There is no problem.
Okay, see you, man. Yeah, man. You can see how many other fellow Africans are enjoying this city,
He's
man.
our friend in our country.
He's a Chadian.
Chadian people.
He's
He's Chadian too.
He's a Chadian too.
Yeah.
Okay. So, remind me the capital city of your country.
The capital city of our country is Jamena.
Jamena.
The
Jamena.
is 1,440 kilometers. In English, I don't know. 1 million. I don't know exactly.
Okay. So now, African Leadership University. How did you get to know about that university?
Yeah, you know, like I'm the one who studied there. So
let me just stand here so that I can put all of them. You just okay. Yeah, just like
okay.
this.
So when I was in my country, my father sent me the link of that university.
Yes.
So I made some research about it, and I have noticed that they have good organization.
Good organization.
Yeah. Reason why once I came here in Rwanda, I first of all studied English for a few months.
Yeah, you took some English courses.
Yeah. For a few months, and when I noticed that my English level is a little bit good, I decided to apply for at the university.
At the university.
Yeah.
So what about you, bro?
What did you say?
Like, how did you get to know about Rwandan University?
University in Rwanda is very good because
First of all, how did you know it? How did you know it? Like who introduced you to that university?
but me also.
Did the research?
Me, I know the university, but I already looking for the main university, but I didn't get the good university. But I have some sister study over there.
Okay.
And, told me that university is very good. Reason why I already go over there.
I've actually seen many Africans, especially West Africans, studying in LA. Yeah, I've seen many Africans.
Yeah. But some people is the Rwandan.
Yeah, there are some Rwandans, some Cameroonians, some Chadians.
Sudan.
So yes, it's Sudanese.
Yeah,
There is another branch of
but
LA.
there are not many Chadian people over there.
Few Chadians.
Yeah.
So bro, I'm very happy that you are liking this country. Let me give him our phone number, maybe we keep in touch. So I think we are going to go there, we just go and check. I do have a YouTube channel, so I create content, some travel vlogs.
Is it your phone number, WhatsApp?
Yeah, my WhatsApp phone number.
Your name is?
My name is Eme.
Okay.
And you can check out my YouTube channel. Hey, I'm a Rwandan. You just check out my YouTube channel.
Send him the link of your YouTube so that we can subscribe.
Okay. Let me show you if you are connected to the internet. You just
are you connected?
No, I don't have a
network.
You don't have network.
Yeah,
and there is a free Wi-Fi here.
Yeah. Okay.
We have a free Wi-Fi here. So guys, you can see how Africans are enjoying this city, guys. If you are looking for a country to study in and maybe are from other countries, please come and check out. You want this one? They all have password? I think there should be others with no password. Oh my, okay, sorry. This one. Okay, maybe send me your phone number. I will just send you the link.
Okay.
Which year do you study in? Are you in the first year and the
First year.
So for how long have you been here in Rwanda?
Also like 6 or 7.
So guys, now we are moving toward Kigali downtown. Bro,
This is my son there language here.
what?
I study here.
You study? Oh, that's where they study their English courses, guys. And I have one of my friends who has an English coaching program. Like he's also teaching people to speak English fluently. My fellow Rwandan.
Like which day?
I don't know his program, the way it's organized, but he's teaching some other students to, like most of them are from Cameroon. Yeah.
But you are already studying just like 3 months or 2 months?
3 months.
Or 4, yeah.
So do you know that building? That's one in front? Yeah, that's one in front of us.
don't know exactly.
That's Tedemir building. That, yeah, there is a hotel, Tedemir Hotel, but also there is another mall, shopping mall in that building, Chinese shopping mall. And the prices there are affordable. They have got good prices. In case you want to buy some groceries, some stuff, some furnitures, you just come there.
Less expensive than other places.
They are less expensive. Less close because we are going to downtown. I think it's better to pass here. So guys, if we keep moving through this road, we just arrived to the commercial area of Kigali where many French businesses are going on, and that is the tallest building in Kigali, KCT. That is Kigali City Tower. It's the tallest building. Do you know how many floors that building has got?
Don't know.
19. 19, yes. It's the tallest building in Kigali, guys. Bro, what's up? I like your hairstyle, man.
Thank you, man.
Very good, man. It's got a good hairstyle. So,
But there are how many
shops?
Yeah, sure.
Shops
Like,
are in the down floors, but upper floors are for offices. Yeah, offices and maybe some other companies are working there, and you can see that they have also got a very large parking lot. So you want to marry a Rwandese lady? Huh?
Yeah, if
You want to marry a Rwandese lady? It will depend on how they will treat you.
yeah.
So, you know what? It will depend on how you will treat them, not how they will treat you.
Like as a man,
Yes.
you can't really manage the household.
The household.
Yeah, if your parent doesn't know how to treat that household, I don't think you will be happy in this relationship. This is why, according to me, I think parent manage everything in the household.
Okay. So you want a housewife? Huh? You want a housewife, someone who will be able to manage the household activities. Yes.
To make our relationship like be happy. Yeah, something like that.
In Rwanda, if you cover a lot of money, you can find a beautiful girl.
If you have a lot of money.
Yeah, just with a lot of money.
Okay, I'm not the one saying that.
Yeah, if you have the money.
If you have a lot of money,
Yeah,
you can find.
a beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful and good girl. And
But
that
you are
is a
rich?
fact. Yeah.
You are rich, you have money.
Man, no, I don't have money. I'm a student.
You're a student.
Yeah, I'm a
Maybe your parents have given you
Yeah,
enough
my
money.
parents have, but not a lot of.
So when did you find that in Rwanda, when you have much money, you will easily get a
But
lady?
I have some Rwanda asking me
Some advice.
some advice.
Like Rwandan girls.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, can a broke guy get a lady in Kigali? Yes.
I don't think so. I didn't see it yet. Because like Rwanda,
Yes.
most of girls
Yeah.
like man.
But not all of them, bro. Not all of them, man.
I can't pretend to say like all of them like man, but most of them like money.
Most of them like Rwanda.
So yeah,
That's close.
I would advise everyone who wanna like get Rwandan lady to have at least enough money to take care of her before flirting with her.
Sure. Oh my God. It's hard. So it will be hard for broke guys. It will be hard for broke guys.
As a broke guy, imagine a little. If she asks you like some money, how
Yes.
will you do as a student? How will you get the money?
You will tell her to go and ask her parents.
So that means she won't love you.
She won't love you. No,
Yeah.
no. Love does not depend on money. Because if somebody is
that
like,
is your opinion. You can find one Rwandan lady here and ask her if she can like love someone who doesn't have money, and
okay,
you will see.
okay. Let me just see what I can ask a random lady.
Yeah.
It's hard, man.
Find a
But-
beautiful girl.
Okay. Maybe let's keep working. Maybe. Sister, excuse me. Hello? May I ask you one question? They're saying no. They're saying no. They're saying no. They don't want to be asked.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know why, but here in Rwanda, I have noticed that most of Rwandan girls like don't like talking too much.
They don't like talking too much.
They are most of the time quiet.
That's true. That's true. They are contented. Oh, I think we are passing through the wrong way. Yeah, it's down there. We are passing through the long. Man, we've lost. Oh my God. So you want to withdraw dollars? You want to withdraw dollars? Or
Yeah.
okay.
No. You wanna withdraw like Rwandan franc?
Rwandan francs.
Yeah.
Okay. They have sent you some money through that system.
Yeah.
So, bro. So, have you ever tried to date some Rwandan ladies?
What?
Have you tried to date some Rwandan ladies?
Yeah, once.
Once.
Yeah.
So, tell me, how was the experience?
The experience was nice because in that day I had a little money.
You had a little money.
So yeah, so I managed everything like in a good way.
So you was buying car clothes.
No, not
He's shopping.
No.
For
I'm not her father. No, that's not possible. Like we went out, like we drink some juice. We get to know each other.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
And
Even now, we are still together. And
You still
everything-
dating?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Everything
good.
is still between us.
That's good, man. So like you so lucky, man. So like, but make sure that don't run out of cash.
Yeah, that's true. Because we don't know when she will ask us that money. You have to be careful about it.
Okay.